What is up, guys? Welcome back to another recap video. So today it is Friday, February 4th. It's been another slowish type day in the small cap world, but sometimes some things come up and you just gotta kind of take a shot. But anyways, let's get into it. Today I ended up trading Annie. As you can see, it was an after hours runner from Thursday. It was trading at 220s, 230s on Thursday, and then it gapped up to 3. And then in the morning it so from here to there, this is pre-market right here. Right here is the open. So all this pre-market, they just kind of like walk it down, and then first things first, identified support levels. We got 250 previous resistance over here, so it's probably gonna act as support. 260, 265, and then you got like 280 from over here. Pre-market high 309, $3 key resistance, 290 key resistance, and then you got your high right here, 280s. And the other thing was that this stock was SSR, so you already know why I only long SSR. Well, most of the time at least. They tend to have these, it's like, why am I going to short something that has been walked down pre-market and it's SSR? Like, to me and it had volume. To me, that kind of gave me that conviction of, you know what, if this one kind of does this, then I will react to that and then try to get involved before it takes off. And it's weird, something about when it dips and the fact that it's SSR, I'm just like, dude, they're gonna try to squeeze this thing higher because the market's been slow. Shorts are eager to short anything that's up, but to me, I'm just like, nope. I've been there. I've been burned, and it doesn't work out. So usually you get these kind of squeezes, and if the volume is there, it kind of helps it out. So basically, for this one pre-market, my plan was to basically look for a move below 250 to 240, kind of within this consolidation zone. I was like, I want to see it maybe dip into 250, 240. If it holds and then it tries to reclaim 270, then I'm gonna get involved. And I was gonna look for a move into 280 to 290 to 3 to pre-market high. And as you can see, you had this little trend line forming over here. So that was kind of like, okay, maybe it's gonna break out. So if you look at this little area right here, a little more detailed. Alright, so zoom in. You zoom in and you have this rip up, retest that trend line, pull back, but then you got these bottom wicks right here. So I'm like, there's buyers there, and you got the higher low. So now you can kind of risk off of that 250. Once I saw this and I was looking at the tape, you can see there's buyers there, or shorts probably getting squeezed. So that's kind of where I kind of started, in between this area right here. And then basically the plan was to start selling into those highs over the previous highs that you got pre-market. So you sell into the 275, 280, and then I had these orders over here at 285, 290, and then a little bit higher. But then it failed, and then it kind of started falling back down. And at this point I was thinking, is it just gonna pull back and then try to hold but not go lower? So when I sold here, I still had a piece left, but I was gonna exit if it broke below this 250. So what I did was, I was thinking, you know what, this is where I bought over here, so instead of me stopping out downward, maybe I should add more into that first position, or add basically these cells that I did, add them back over here. So now I got this full position, and then start selling as it got to like the next previous levels that I got to. But I started at 270, and then again 275, 280, 285, and then once I got to like the 290s, I figured I'd put them a little bit closer, because that's where I want my average to be. So then I put the orders more, you know, like 293, 295, 298, and then the last one I was like, I'll leave it at 3. And then I kind of just waited to see we're gonna get another pullback. And then at this point I was like, you know, it's kind of already later on in the day, I'll just cut it if it breaks, you know, below the support. I didn't want to keep staring at it. And basically that was my entire trade. But the crazy thing is that this thing just kept going after that later on in the day. So technically this could have been your next support level to start buying at, and then watch for that move back over that previous high, because now you got shorts thinking, alright, I'm gonna stop out if it gets over this, and then they're probably adding to if they're stuck, they're probably adding right here, and then they'll stop out if it gets over that, and then that's what creates this squeeze effect, because you got shorts stopping out over here, over that level, and then it's like making the price go higher and higher. And on top of that you got SSR, so that's like, and you got the volume. So, you know, you could have kind of expected that move, but that was kind of the idea on this one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, put a comment down below, or hit me up in my Discord. I'll put the link down below. Like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Bye.